Antonio. Antonio nag-aagay si number 11. Number 11 wala na ako. Number 13. Wow! Number 13. Score natin, 14-48. Number 13. Number 13. Sidestepping room. Wala na rin ni number 5. Number 29. Pass number 14. Number 14. Pass there. Wala. Bounce. 7. Number 4 out. Number 10. In. Number 10 to number 13, pass to number 10, number 10. Pass to number 18, number 18 tumira. Wala, narito ni number 18 ulit. May foul. Who's foul ulit? Foul number 13. Number 13, second personal foul. Penalty. Unang tira, pumasok. Pangalawang tira. Yung bata daw, Gonzalo. Paayla, Barangay Pritil, makakot ka. Number 14. Plus number 29. Number 29, umikot, tumira, pumasok. Number 18, iba to number 1. Number 1, Ilaras, may foul. Foul number 11. Pushing foul, penalty. Number 11, first personal foul. Unang tira, pasok. Palong tira, pasok pa rin. Inbound to number 11, Antonio. Pass to number 14, to number 29. Number 29, side step, Naga. Number 45, pass to number 13, wala, narito ni number 14. Number 14 to number 11, pass to number 5, number 5, number 1. Tumira, number 1. Number 11. Number 11. Tumasa. Wala, narito ni number 11 ulit. Number 11, tumira ng press. Wala, narito ni number 45. Number 45, pass to number 10. Number 10, wala ng press. Oras natin 1 minute and 5 seconds. Score natin 54-48. Out of bounds. Fabric. Oras natin 56 seconds. Number 1. Plus number 45. Number 45, Tumira. Wala, narito ni number 13. Number 13, Inaras. Alam mo pagsa, wala sa number 14. By foul. Foul number 13. 40 seconds. Number 13, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sagreb. Number 13, out. Tangi tayo. Score natin 54-48. Number 14, Castro. Na-intercept ni number 45. Number 45. Oras natin 25 seconds. Number 1, Tumira in box. Score natin 50.